Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix DirecTV remote volume not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you can reset the connection between your DirecTV and your TV. So you need to simply press and hold the mute button and the select button until the light flashes. Then you can enter into your TV brand code and follow further on-screen pairing steps. This is going to relink the remote to your TV's volume controls. And after doing this particular step, if the issue still persists, you can just simply check the batteries on your remote. So you need to check if your remote is set to the correct mode, like your TV or AB. Also, you can try replacing the batteries with the fresh ones because the low battery power can affect the volume buttons more than others. You can then go to the TV settings of yours and make sure that the audio output is set correctly, especially if you are using a soundbar or any external speakers, because sometimes the remote controls the wrong device. So if none of the methods are working for you, you can just simply restart your DirecTV and your TV, and this is going to help resync the remote and applies all the changes properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.